Why did the defendant lie? Because, as I've said, MSU's image and reputation and the defendant's legacy are inextricably linked.
The preliminary hearing getting underway today for Michigan State's former president.
Luanna K. Simon is accused of lying to state investigators about when she first learned Larry Nassar was under investigation.
24-Hour News 8's Lindsay McComb will in now with what we learned in court today.
Well, Brian and Sue, it's clear that we're going to see a lot of objections and accusations from both sides as this hearing continues. The AG's office says Simon lied to investigators. Her attorneys say investigators are lying to create these charges. Underneath all of that, today we heard from Amanda Tomashow, the woman who prompted the Title IX investigation that's at the center of this case.
I started getting sick last year during sentencing. I believe you were there that day that I started getting the ulcers in my mouth. Thanks.
Michigan State's former president listened to Amanda Tomashow go over the complaint she filed against Larry Nassar back in 2014. A complaint that resulted in 2 final reports from Title IX investigator Christine Moore and Nassar returning to work.
She told me she was so sorry, but there was nothing more they could do, and that I didn't understand the difference between sexual assault and medical procedure.
Simon has maintained she never knew that investigation revolved around Nassar, and her attorneys argued Tomashow's testimony should not be allowed.
The only thing that is relevant here are these charges of whether or not Dr. Simon made a false or misleading statement to the police during her interview on May 1st, 2018, and we're confident we're going to be able to prove that she did not.
The basis for that confidence came from Simon's other defense attorney, Mayor Morgenroth. He took on the prosecution's evidence that Moore alerted a senior advisor, Paulette Granberry Russell, who then scheduled a meeting with Simon as the 2014 investigation played out.
In every interview, she says she doesn't remember ever meeting or recall meeting with Luanna Simon on May 19th at all. 5 times has told them she doesn't recall ever having the meeting.
That meeting is the crux of the AG's case, so Simon's defense team will take every opportunity to undermine the evidence.
I would assume that if their big money-making doctor assaulted one of her students, she would know.
While I appreciate your assumption, Ms. Tomashow, my question really is, are you aware of anybody who gave that report to Luanna Simon?
Not personally.
Now, today was just day 1 of the prelim. It won't continue until April. And at that time, we expect to hear from the Title IX investigator, Christine Moore, an executive assistant to Simon, and the investigators who questioned her as well. Once complete, the judge will rule whether there's enough evidence for Simon to go to trial. Brian.